from the shower head, in case it's a rain shower, you don't get the necessary pressure while you're bathing. And probably the last one, I would say, when you turn off the diverter or the lever, then you still have a little bit of water that's trickling down. So these are the common points everyone usually faces in a shower bathing. For me, it's important what I see while choosing a shower is form and function. It also depends on the house for whom I'm doing, what kind of style I'm using. So you have a lot of showers available in market. You have a lot of designs. You have modern, minimal, colonial, classic. So depending on first what fits into your design is where you start. So that's one factor which I consider while choosing it. And also the finishes. You have steel, you have brass, you have antique finish. And also in terms of function, what is it giving? Are the edges smooth? Is it good to hold? This is just the aesthetical way in which you select. But at the end of the day, it has to function. So you have to also see whether if the fixture that you're choosing, do you have an adequate water pressure in your pipeline? Will it serve in the area that you're doing? What is the size that you're looking? Does it really fit into the area? Does it really fit into your cubicle? Do you have the required height? So all these are important things that I consider while choosing a shower. I think with technology, still lots can be done when you design shower heads. First, I think is water. How can we save water? Water is no more cheap. So what we could do is probably we could give the same experience of a rain shower, but we introduce mist and air with it so that you still get an experience, but you reduce the volume of the water that comes. The next what we could do is maybe have sensors within the shower. So if you move from the shower area or from the zone in which your shower head is installed, so suddenly the volume should get reduced. Not necessarily it should switch off, but even if the volume gets reduced, I think again we can conserve and save a lot of water. Third, again with technology, what we could do is we could have individual profiles for people in the house. Say for instance, I like water to a certain degree when I'm bathing with a certain pressure. So that could be preset within the shower. My spouse wanted it at a certain temperature or pressure, that could be done. Another last but very important point is probably we could have sensors within the pipelines or in the shower heads. So if there is a pressure building up in line, you get a notification alert showing which part of the pipe there is a pressure. In case there is a dust particles that's clogged into your nozzle, even that has been shown. If the seal is about to wear off, that has to be indicated, because otherwise you really don't know, and I think that's where technology is going to really help us do all this.